It was a sun-hot, sky-dry day as Joey and Mama Roo stopped to drink at the edge of the Tumba Rumba River.
Today.
Mama Roo settled in the shade and shut her eyes. She soon began to snore. Joey was not sleepy, not one bit. Peeking over the edge of his mother's pouch, he saw one bush mouse pattering past.
Twister, Twister, what do you say? Do you know anything to play? I do. I'm a big one. Too hot to teach you today. Please stay. Don't go away. We can play together all day.
So Twisker tiptoed into the shade of the river rocks and taught Joey how to play hide and squeak. Peeking around the rocks, Joey saw two snakes slowly slithering by.
Snyder, what do you say? Do you know any games to play? Yes. We know splendid game. But it's too hot to play today. Please stay this way. We can play tag all day.
So Slider and Snyder slid through the tall grass and taught the others to play lots of knots. Peeking through the grass, Joey saw three platypus paddling past.
Patso, Matzo, what do you say? Do you know any games to play? We certainly do. You know, how did you want me to teach you today? Please stay, don't go away. We can play together all day.
So Flatso, Patso, and Matzo dropped out of the water and taught the others to play Pass the Mud Pie. Peeking along the bank, Joey saw 4 echidnas burrowing out of the termite mound.
Over here. What do you say? Do you know any games to play?
We do.
But it's too hot to see you today.
Please stay. Emma Kate. Emma Kate. Please stay. Don't go away.
Hi, Ree, don't go away. We can
Kate. Kate. We can play together all day.
We can play together all day.
So Prickler, Stickler, Brickler, and Quickler waddled into a hollow log and taught the 4 to play pick up quills. Joey saw a long, strong crocodile creeping up the bank of the Tumba Rumba River.
Snide, what do you say? Do you know any games to play? Yeah, I certainly do. Can you guess? I know the best game in the whole wide world. I want to go hunt. But it's too hard to teach you today.
We can play. We can play together.
We can play together all day.
Just
We
then,
can play together all day.
Slytooth spied Joey's 10 friends.
I'll stay for a moment then. What? My game does not take long to play. What? Come closer and do as I say. When I open my magnificent saucer, you must all hurry inside. I would hide you so well nobody could ever find you. Can you guess the name of my wonderful game? I guess we.
Slytooth stretched his jaw as wide as a cave.
Pick up. Jonas, what you say it?
Say, pass the mic on. You go ahead. Pass the mic on. It's your turn too. Do you want to go through? All right.
Hey. We don't know. What is the name of this wonderful game?
Slytooth took a great deep breath and went.
No way out. It's hopeless.
Okay, good job.
Yes, I know the funniest game in the whole
Suddenly, deep down inside, Slytooth felt a wiggling, jiggling, twittering, jittering, rollicking, frolicking, reeling feeling zigging up and down and all around his bumpy body.
Hurry, go home.
Slytooth squeezed his jaws together tightly. Joey and his friends tickled those tonsils and tickled those tonsils until a smile split Slytooth's jaws wide open and out burst an earth quaking, sky shaking.
Wow, wow, yee, ho, hoo, hoo, hoo.
Twisker, Slider, Snyder, Platso, Patso, Matso, Prickler, Stickler, Rickler, Quickler, and Joey sailed high into the air. Slytooth was laughing so hard he could not stop. He whooped and howled and snortled and yowled all the way down the bank into the Tumba-Rumba River and floated far, far away. Just then, Mama Roo opened her eyes.
Yes, you say. You know it
But Joey did not answer. He jumped deep down to the very bottom of Mama Roo's pouch and wouldn't come out for a long, long time.
didn't they? Oh my goodness. I have lots of people to thank, but I was just thinking last night that these kiddos learned to walk and talk when the world was shut down. So I'd say this is kind of amazing. So let's have another round of applause. We also had illness interrupt our rehearsal time. We had kind of 2-week periods where a lot of us weren't at school. So great job turning it around. I want to thank Ms. Anello for being our narrator. Thank you, Ms. Anello. Thank you, Mrs. Russell, for helping us with our rehearsals. She couldn't be here today, but she sent her best. Our backdrop, we wanted to thank whoever made that lovely, beautiful backdrop for Lion King last year. Is this better? Yeah! Okay. Thank you, Mrs. Smith. That's my next thank you from Mrs. Smith and the 8th grade tech crew. Thank you so much. And you're so patient with these little kiddos, which is wonderful. I love that. I need to thank the parents for their costumes, working with the line. Look at these creative costumes. My goodness. Helping them with their lines, all the pep talks, getting them ready for standing on stage. This is no small feat. And for getting them here early today so we could get ready. And also thank you so much for the cast party refreshments and decorations. We're going to be very excited to do that today, aren't we, friends? And be sure parents and families to stick around after for photos. And I'm going to go ahead and let them introduce themselves in the part they play.